Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors, Halatko ni Shillong, ringkat ba ka Net Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobyeng Jongpi.
Kasamla Balawan Suk Makri nakisnong Nong Terlau, kawahap apo Ribhoy District. Kalayo ora ekana Miss Ribhoy Tourism arajar arpuar balapelong dak Ribhoy Tourism and Environmental Development Forum. Kawala rakhi ya ka jingdap post nam ga jingal enti ban kentiu ki kam jingokai perthai hakathem Ribhoy. Kasamla Balawan Suk Makri kadai bala pendap ya ka jingpuli graduate hak subject English na Lady Keane College Shillong. Bat kadai ru kana wilekai ka model bat kadakhot jong ka Bouncer Association of Meghalaya. Hakini kerensan Yakob kasamla Jessica Nongrom nakasnong Nongpo klayora ekanam kerdan kabaar kat bakasamla Deima P Shisha Khongjo klayora ekanam kabalai da kani ke jingjob kasamla Balawan Suk Makri klayok khori kasong pisa ke pasanpo wajar tengka na ka Ribhoy Tourism and Environmental Development Forum kat bakasamla Jessica klayok kasong pisa ke arpusan hajar tengka bat kasamla Deina P Shisha Khongjo kalayo kasong pisa kabakat san hajar tengkah.
What is the best gift that you can give to Mother Earth and why?
The best gift that I can give to our Mother Earth is that we have to maintain cleanliness, and that starts from our home. And to make others aware that our Mother Earth has given so much to us, and we must repay her back by nurturing her with the abilities to take care of her and by planting more trees.
What is the best gift that you can give to Mother Earth and why? Exactly what you have read.
Good evening once again. Reduce, reuse, recycle, volunteer myself for the cleanup of the community, to stop deforestation, conserve water, use less plastic bags and more reusable bags, plant more trees and keep our surroundings neat and tidy to save our planet Earth so we can live a healthy and beautiful life. These are the gifts I would give to the Mother Earth. Thank you.
The best gift that I can give is a sense of responsibility to take care of the Mother Nature. Because if nature is green, nature is pure. It is the best medicine for a sick man to cure. Meghalaya, the home of cloud, is blessed to be bestowed with green lush waterfalls, rivers and diversity of flora and fauna. Let's hope each individual should have a sense of responsibility. That's the only great gift that we can give to the Mother Nature. Thank you so much.